Hello everyone. Today, I Nitesh Kumar Tiwari, student of RV College of Engineering, Computer Science Department, is going to present my PPT on the topic nanomedicine, the future of medicine and healthcare. So, it goes like this. First, we will go through a brief introduction about the topic. Nowadays, due to huge advancement in the field of nanotechnology and its worldwide approach, attracts n number of professionals who are willing to work with it. There is a research done by an institute about estimated total economical value of IoT till 2025, which is further divided to subdomain industries as per their participation in the market of nanotechnology. Here in the figure, we can see that the total impact is shared by healthcare, manufacturing, electricity, and urban infrastructure, and many more. The share of healthcare is about 1.1 to 2.5 trillion dollar annually. So that of manufacturing is 0.9 to 2.3 trillion dollar annually. As per the figure given above, it is clear that healthcare is going to be one of the biggest domain under nanotechnology, followed by manufacturing, then electricity, then urban infrastructure, and so on. Specific applications: nano-based medication convenience framework intend to improve the bioavailability and pharmacokinetics of pharmaceuticals to give non-obstructive courses of medical organization. In simpler word, we can say that it will make the drug delivery system very easy. Like you can deliver drug directly at the point of infection, which will not cause any side effect or it will not affect any organ which is in good condition and that can be harmed by that drug. Nanomaterial and nanoparts have progressively been produced for restorative insights. Another developing field is that of nanobiotics, depicted by some as the assembly among science and gadgets. Nanotechnology doesn't yet assume a significant job in the assembly of momentarily accessible dynamic insert. Architecture of Internet of Nanothings. Here we can see the type of nanosensors which can be used. There is a nanosensor which can be used on our clothing, nanosensor on our phone, micro gateway, and molecular nano network. There are also some nanosensors which can be used for monitoring the environment, which will go through micro gateway and can be controlled under a services layer. Utility: the Internet of Nano Things quickly changes the medicinal services situated by concentrating in transit individuals, gadgets, and applications are associated and offer promising answers for that social insurance. By this, the Internet of Nano Things can make the healthcare more personal. Like sometimes it's quite embarrassing to tell the doctors about your problem. By this, the doctor can directly monitor about your problem and the problem and the way your body is behaving by the help of this nanosensor. So as to track and record individual information, it is quite important to utilize sensors or apparatus which are promptly accessible to the overall population. Here the nanosensor should be quite affordable that can be used by the overall population. This figure gives an idea about the scales of nanometer. Nano small scale inference gadget. These gadgets aggregate the data organizing from nano routers to pass it into microscale and the other way around. There are 22 lakhs 54 lakh, 2 crores 54 lakhs nanometers in 1 inch. If a marble were 1 nanometer, 1 meter would be the size of Earth. This is the size of 1 nanometer, and this small size allow us to use it or insert it to any part of the body without interfering with other systems. Challenges: there are a lot of challenges to Internet of Nanotech. The first is the cost. It will be like quite costly to implement and use the devices which works on Internet of Nanotech. The second is the technology. In the country like India, which is still developing, it's a challenge to implement all those things which will work on Internet of Nanotech. The third is Internet of Nanothings hold an energizing potential for cutting-edge well-being, administration, and application, and the incorporation of Internet of Nanothings with other social insurance organized framework. The correspondence run for Internet of Nanothings framework is quite like upon to be between 1 centimeter and 1 meter for tetras based correspondence and 1 nanometer to 1 centimeter for atomic correspondence. Conclusion: nanotechnology gives remarkable open doors for exclusively to better materials and medicinal gadgets, yet in addition to make new shrewd gadgets and advances. Nanotechnology is a branch of knowledge of applied logic, order concentrated on the structure, union, portrayal, utilization of the materials in gadgets and nanoscale. With this, I would like to conclude my PPT. Thanks for watching.